Hey everyone, we are now here in Siem Reap, and this is our accommodation for the next 7 days. So yeah, we'll start with the kitchen. Wow, it's so nice. It's actually huge, but outside you're like if we're gonna look at it outside, you'd think that it's small, but it's actually nice and so huge or spacious. So yeah, this is the kitchen. So yeah, they have stove, microwave oven. What is this, dishwasher? Yeah, dishwasher. Oh, they also have this perfect water. And then look at the working space, or maybe the kitchen as well. Kitchen table. It's so nice. And of course, they have washing machine, which is a plus. Washing machine right there. And then that's the balcony. Yeah, it's a quiet neighborhood. And so this is the restroom. Let's see the restroom. Oh, they have bathtub. Where's the light? Oh, this is so nice. Oh, wow, so nice. So huge. And then, oh, you also have another door here that is connected to the bedroom. Oh, amazing. Yeah, so this is a walk-in closet. Oh my gosh, I love it. So they have this blower and full body mirror here. Oh wait, so nice. What is this one? Oh, they have cabinets here. They have iron for your clothes, hangers for the clothes outside. And then this is the bedroom. Wow, so nice. I'm gonna show you again with the lights. So yeah, they also have another balcony here. So cute. And then they have television, I guess. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, it's a nice accommodation. Love. Do they have a TV? Yes, they have a TV here. I hope they have Netflix or YouTube. It's a nice accommodations. So far. Oh, let's see if they have all the utensils that we need. Yes, they have. Okay, so it's here. And then... oh, nothing here. Maybe here, okay. Where is the... what to call it? Spoon. Oh, there. Yeah, it's here. So yeah, from Sihanoukville to Siem Reap, it's gonna take 8 hours via bus. So yeah, we started our journey around I think it's around 9, and then we arrived here 6 a.m. and then had a breakfast in a cafe, and then now we're here. Let's see what's outside. But yeah, it's still hot. It's really hot. Cambodia is hot, just like the Philippines. So yeah, let's see the balcony. Wow, amazing. Yes, finally. A washing machine. It's really a plus. Like whenever I will look for an accommodation, I consider the washing machine because, you know, like we sweat a lot and then it's easy to wash the clothes. You know, especially in hot weather, you need to change your clothes every single time. Wow. But yeah, so this is the balcony from the bedroom. And it's a quiet neighborhood. Whoa, I can see something there. like a temple or something, or maybe just a roof. Yeah, so far it's a quiet neighborhood. It's not a gated um apartment, but there is a what do you call it, like guards. Yeah, so it's easy to get around Cambodia because you just needed to, like book a tuk-tuk, a grab tuk-tuk. And yeah, so we're gonna explore Angkor Wat in the next few days, if not today. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Once again, this is Sess reminding you all to stay golden.